Tired of fiddling with tiny dials and struggling to nail focus, especially in tricky shooting situations? Today, we're unlocking a game-changing way to control your Sony A7 IV's autofocus using a dedicated app, offering remote adjustments and precision focusing right from your smart device. First, download and install the Imaging Edge mobile app from your app store. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your A7 IV via Wi-Fi. Make sure your camera's Wi-Fi is enabled in the network menu. Once connected, you'll see a live view from your camera on your phone. Now, tap the focus area on your phone screen where you want the camera to focus. The A7 IV will immediately adjust the focus to that exact point. You can also fine-tune the focus manually using the plus and minus buttons within the app for those super critical focus moments. Explore different autofocus modes while single, continuous, and even manual focus while all controllable from your phone. This gives you incredible flexibility for various shooting scenarios. The app also allows you to remotely trigger the shutter, perfect for wildlife photography, self-portraits, or any situation where you need to avoid camera shake. Use this feature to get creative with unique angles and perspectives without contorting yourself into awkward positions. So, ditch the frustration and embrace the power of remote autofocus control. Experiment, get creative, and unlock the full potential of your Sony A7 IV. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more camera tips and tricks.